Okay, the fourth exponent property we're gonna look at is anything to the zero power. And you should already know this one. We talked about it when we did order of operations, but we're gonna look at it again with variables and numbers. So we're gonna apply our new rule. When we divide, we said we subtract our exponents. So 2 to the fourth divided by 2 to the fourth is 2 to the 4 minus 4, which is 2 to the 0. And again, we know 2 to the fourth divided by 2 to the fourth, anything divided by itself is 1, because 2 to the fourth would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16 over 16, which is 1. And anything divided by itself is 1. Okay, so this is the same thing. 3 to the fifth over 3 to the fifth. If I'm using my quotient rule, we would keep the base and subtract the exponents, which gives me 3 to the 0. And we know that 3 to the 0 is the same as this 3 to the fifth over to 3 to the fifth, which is equal to 1. And the same rule applies with variables. So if I have x to the 6 over x to the 6, it's x to the 6 minus 6, which is x to the 0. So again, keep the base, subtract them. And x to the 6 over x to the 6 is 1. So anything, again, divided by itself is 1. Do not just cancel it and say it's nothing. It is 1 anytime we divide it by ourselves. Okay, and again, x to the 0 is 1. This is the same thing. X to the fourth divided by x to the fourth is x to the 4 minus 4, which is x to the 0. And again, x to the fourth over x to the fourth is going to equal 1 because I'm dividing by itself. So all of these, because these are the same thing, this is equal to that, is 1. So a general rule, what happens when we have an exponent of 0 is anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. Now, just be careful. There'll be ones like this, something like that, and make sure you're doing your order of operations. So this, because of the parentheses, the 0 is only on the x cubed, and then I'm multiplying the result of that by 2. And so this is 2 times, okay, x cubed to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1, and so this is 2. Okay, so just because I have a 0 exponent doesn't necessarily mean the final answer is going to be 1. You only apply the exponent to whatever is in the parentheses. And that is our fourth rule for exponents.